Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 281 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about letting everything settle: your thoughts, your worries, your emotions. Sometimes peace comes not from doing, but from allowing things to rest. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body soften with each breath. Let your mind loosen its grip. Now, say to yourself, I let it settle. I don't need to control it all. And peace comes when I pause. Stay here for a few breaths, just letting everything be. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of ease with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.